for at least one Caillou to come into business. Hi there, Caillou. Yes, we're gonna start next on our graded for the now. On our graded for the now, Scared Course kind is the first destination in the room. Nation are freaking like it's been on in the living room. We're on the side. Scared Course kind is the first destination in the room. Nation are freaking like it's been on the afternoon. Buckeye, if I want Buckeye Farm footage, we'll take the explore you want probably on explore. What's up to guys? Scared question. If I want to explore you want to place one and that's how you want why we to answer all your sass. I'm looking there on Waterfall list. Now let's look at question to confirm. Let's go see if I can handle the layer. However, we're going to the podcast and the Waterfall list to display in no time. Scared question. Let's find out before naturally should do on time. Buckeye during so find finish to Waterfall list and to explain lessons. Scared question. We're sure to find out. Buckeye Swings and Waterfall list was explain lesson Wednesday and the series all together. What's up? What you for explain now? Scared question. If I want to explain lessons, each one practice you want on the work that we work at you in another trip. To the about Waterfall list, Miss Gus is supposed to further snouts. We'll get question come on. Sorry, now it's one to find to go Waterfall list, room to find out. Buckeye Rich one set back up on the Waterfall list. Now the airway secure in Waterfall lane. Also over 2,000 oceans. Scared question. If I want Abrams one Waterfall list, one explain lesson, that means we're going to have to wait on another time. To the about the Waterfall list to do it now, look at question to confirm. Let's go see if I can handle the layer. But no, that's a for coin, and that's again, we also need public cash with the now. Scared question. Let's find a trust for start doing what it is. But I should show about to Waterfall list before you need to you want to practice nation on this winning lesson. How to show Waterfall list. Scared question. Which means wants to Waterfall list when it's out you want in a warrant, which means when so swing. Okay, if I win 35%. Scared question. Which means for us want to Waterfall list from a frustration. Okay, and I was on how to Waterfall lesson. You know that I used to win to find you need to always win lesson. What's up? When you start Waterfall lens, look at question. Which means to find to Waterfall lens, when it's win lesson, you want waters, which means when so all adventure. What's up? Oh, then scared question. Which means to find to Waterfall lens, when you need to always win lesson, rules should be gonna try. Okay, and also it's the podcast that using races when lessons national iron order practice. Also, you got a scared question. It's really like an own snake like this when lessons national free practice national on seek the first always winning. Also, the story in a Waterfall list now. Scared question. So let's get a marvelous onto Waterfall snakes like a wonderful swing lesson in the future. And last one is wins the podcast and a happy swing lesson together too. Scared question. Let's find to frustration and a careless. But I not about Waterfall list. This is more fantastic for the so fun. What's up now knowing Waterfall list? Scared question. This goes Waterfall. Snakes like a Waterfall list. It will also want some adventures. Hey, tell you what. So complete scared question. Let's go some pretty game before sending so on blues when he's bouncing on birthday party. But guys, thanks for watching. Like and share, like, subscribe. General one support, that support science, experiencing, and a purchase. Goodbye.